Ridge washer, pressure washer gun. This is a really good buy for the money, especially if you're just a hobbyist or DIY person. This is all you need, really. What I like about it, comes with everything you need. It comes with a female 3/8 pipe swivel and 3 fittings, one of which I used. If you don't want to use a quick connect, it comes with everything you need, because it has a 3/8 to M22 15mm or 3/8 to M22 14mm, so it will fit any pressure washer straight to the standard hose like this. If you want a quick connect system, it comes with one end that will screw into this, but you'll still need the other end. So depending on what type of line you have, you'll need M22 14mm or M22 15mm quick connect system. And that's all you'll need. I think I bought a pair of these for 10 bucks. The swivel on this works really good, even under pressure. This is under pressure right now, and I'm really pleased with it. Can you buy something with all stainless? It's maybe a little better? Sure, but is this good enough? Absolutely.